Hello friends, this is Dhruvi here. Okay, so if you are new to my channel and if you guys don't know that every month I review my previous month. So it's August and I'll review July. So basically my July month was like it came and it went. Like it was too fast, like very quick. If you feel like the same, then hit like on this video. Like just Aya and Gaya, I don't know what happened. So like it was basically a very busy month and I didn't do anything actually. Like I was just working and weekends pay like normal weekends stay, nothing that great. I haven't been to any clubs, not movies. Like I guess I saw Super 30, yeah, on this month, yeah, if not in June then in July, yeah. I saw Super 30. That was really nice movie, a good movie, and it's awesome. And next thing, I didn't do anything literally, but yes, at the end of this month, that is on 30 and 31st, I have been for a trip. Yeah, I went Igatpuri and it was an amazing trip. I didn't vlog because it was very quick trip. Like we went in the morning, next by noon we left, and next day by noon we left, and it was friend's birthday and just chilling. And but the view of that was amazing. We booked a not we like my friends booked the villa जिसका birthday था. It was Sky Villa, and I'll put the links in the description box or all the details. And the view was amazing. I really liked it, and Igatpuri is really nice place. And Mera, I guess almost Igatpuri is done, Karjat is done, Lonavala is done, Mahabaleshwar done, Mathiran done, and mostly all of the Alibag is also done. So yes, I have uploaded vlogs also of that. If you haven't seen, then just go and have a look. It's amazing. And next और तो कुछ किया नहीं है. He has ordered a good amount of stuffs from Nykaa. Yes, I ordered a new hair dryer. It's amazing. Like मेरे पास था hair dryer, but it was very old, so voltage was very low and no cold वाला option. But this time I ordered with high voltage, and really like nice. I'm liking it. I'll put the link of that also in the description box. And next, yes, I planned a lot of stuffs. Like almost everything is planned once I cross 10k subscribers, so just waiting for that. And it is almost about to cross, and it's like I'm waiting and something boom is going to come. So do subscribe if you haven't yet, and click on that bell icon so you'll get notified each time I upload a new video. And follow me on my social medias, links are given in the description box. Yeah, that was all for today. Nothing that great. So if your month was also boring, then please do like this video, and in the comment section let me know how your month was and what great things happened. And yeah, it was raining a lot in Mumbai, so full barish wala month tha. So yeah, that was all for today. I hope you like my video. Bye bye. See you in next video.